My name is Lydia, and I have suffered from hip pain for over 10 years, I would say, way back when I was in the UK, and it continued even when I went to Abu Dhabi. So I have been on cortisone injection for a very long time, which kind of provided some relief.
And when she presented to us, she had complaints of pain and stiffness in both her hips. When we evaluated her, this was a case of avascular necrosis of both the hips. So primarily, avascular necrosis involves both the blood supply of our hip joints, and it may affect other joints also. Here, because of the reduced blood supply, slowly the head collapses, and then it leads to secondary arthritis of the hip joints. We have to go for a total hip replacement.
Before you go in to have a bilateral surgery alone, it tells you how much trust and confidence I had in the team.
So we decided that we'll go ahead with simultaneously hip replacement on both the sides. Bilateral hip replacement in a single sitting is sometimes challenging. You need a good anesthesia team. Patient's anesthesia profile has to be good to tolerate both the surgeries. The surgery went on successfully. We were able to operate both the side very safely, and then she was mobilized within next 2 or 3 days, and within 3 to 4 weeks we can see that she had started walking almost independently.
I really cannot thank Dr. Verma enough and his team. They have been so supportive. I am in Max Vashali Hospital. I just doff my hat off to them, really. They've done a fantastic job, and I'm a happy patient.